Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove item checkboxes in File Explorer on Windows 11. If you cannot disable checkboxes in File Explorer or if you see check marks on your desktop icons, don't worry, I'll show you the steps to fix it. Item checkboxes are useful for selecting multiple files and folders, especially on touchscreen or trackpad devices. But if you don't need them, they can be annoying. Let's start with method 1. Open File Explorer. Now click on the View button in the top toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Show. Here you will see the option called Item Checkboxes. If it is enabled, click it once to deselect it. Normally, this will immediately remove the item checkboxes from File Explorer. If the checkboxes are still showing, then move to method 2. Now, we will use Registry editor to fix the problem. Press the Windows key, type Registry editor and open it. Click on Yes. In the address bar, copy and paste this address into the address bar. Press enter. This address is available under the description. On the right side, double click on tablet mode. Make sure its value is set to 0. This turns off tablet mode. Click on OK. Next, go to this location: HKE local machine system CurrentControlSet control PriorityControl. On the right side, right click on an empty area. Select New, then DWORD 32 bit value. Name it ConvertibilityEnabled. Leave the value data as 0. This tells Windows that your PC is not a convertible device. After that, close Registry editor and restart your computer. Once your system reboots, the item checkboxes in File Explorer should be removed. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.